So whenever you're creating a head text like this, so href must give a attributes. So a have a attribute of href, so we must assign a link there. Okay, link, and then say some link here, and then of course you have to close the text. Okay, it's going to look like this. Okay, save this and view it on browser. Says syntax error. Okay, so what's the problem actually is you have to escape this character. Okay, so now if you view, no problem. Okay, if you click also no problem, this will redirect to the same page. Let's say if you use a single quotation like this, and if you save it and if you refresh, no error, but when you click this, it's going to bring you to different file path. Okay, so it's not available. So what's the problem actually? If you use a single quotation, you don't have to escape the character here, which is much more fast. If you want to type the program, you can, it's much more time saving. Okay, actually, so I can suggest personally use a single quotation for any variables, easier. You don't have to escape any strings like this. If you're going to work with JavaScript or whatever inside here also, you don't have to escape. Okay, just use a single quotation, then you have href like this. And now I save. If I go and refresh, and actually it's working. Okay, so this is how you work with the HTML inside, and the difference within single and double quotation. Okay, now let's look at numbers. Earlier I talked about the data types. This is all we can tell is a string. Okay, but how about the numbers? Okay, sometimes numbers are in integer, float, doubles, but in PHP you don't have to worry much, because PHP you can declare the number with or without the quotation mark like this. Let's say I'm going to say number 1 like this. Oops. Number 1, and it's going to take value of 1, and I have number 2 and taking the value of, and this one I'm going to put inside the quotation marks, and I'm going to put 2 like this. See the output here. I'm going to do some multiplication. Num1 times with num2. Okay, save it, view it on browser. 2, answer is 2. Okay, correct. So this is string, this is number. Okay, so PHP really don't care you put it like this or what, we put it like this or what. It takes the value and just times it and display the output. How if you're going to have some string behind of the numbers? Okay, so the answer will be 2. Okay, simple. I will explain to you later how it's 2. Okay, answer is 2. Okay, now we put the 2 the most end of the string here, and if you refresh you'll be able to see 0. Okay,